Hi, welcome to SQL Features. As you know, in the previous series, we created a Proxmox Cloud Init template and created a VM out of it. Today, we will install Docker on that VM. So in the future videos, we can configure some containers and look at it how it works. All right, so let's keep going. So here we have my GitHub page. If you go to Media Stack, you can see that there is a new folder available, docker-on-ubuntu, and if you go there, there is a simple makefile is there. It's just a PowerShell script. So let's open this script. And first step we'll do will again connect back to it. And in the previous version, we went through the cloud image. There is one change to it. To make Docker work, you need to use the XAMI 22.04 release because the latest one, 22.10 and 23.04, has some known issues with the Docker. So you might want to use that. Just make sure that you are using the latest script from GitHub to do this. All right, except that, let's keep going. So we'll connect to the VM we just created in the last series. Let's do the updates. Another set of upgrades. And the next command, we are checking if Docker is enabled or not. And if Docker is enabled, in that case, it's going to remove it. Okay, it's not able to locate Docker package. Good. Now we are updating again package. Run these commands one by one. It helps. So now we are installing some basic packages required by Docker. These steps are available on the Docker Hub as well, so you can get it from there. And we added the Docker GPG. Now let's run that and update at the same time. It's disabled by default, so we are having an error here. So we had an error message, and because of that, I had to go back and bring up the old image. These steps need to be done one after another, not to be run in the bulk, in the batch. So make sure you do that. Now you're running the certificates, no error messages here. Let's run the next command, creating a directory. We created a docker.gpg file, and with that, now we are getting this file. Again, these updates are very important. Between, run them one by one. Now let's check. We're looking good so far. Again, an update. Okay, now we'll be installing Docker. Press yes. So once the Docker is started, we'll look at what's the version number, confirm Docker is running. Then we'll be running these steps, so we can start Docker process without using the sudo command. Let's validate it. Now the sequence is important. You can right now do a couple of stuff like making the current user as owner. Okay, so you get the password, go to the previous command where we created this password, so copy it from here, paste it there, and that does it. Now reboot is a must, so make sure at this point you reboot it. So machine is up. Let's boot it in. we are into the machine, so let's exit it. Let's connect. We'll run command docker-on hello world, and we can see Docker is able to download itself, and it's able to say hello from Docker, so we're good. Docker is installed, and that way, this is how you can get Docker enabled. Now in the next video, we'll talk about creating a media stack, and that should help a lot in terms of how quickly you can create environments and use it to download stuff and manage your downloads. All right, that would be all for today. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe as usual. Look forward to see you guys again. Take care. Bye.